Hello, my name is Maël Pons. I'm 20 years old and currently studying in Polytech Tours in computer course. In this clip, I will firstly introduce myself, then I will explain why I choose the Columbia University for my international mobility. Let me start at the beginning. I come from Aurillac, a little city in the south of the French. It is nicknamed the capital of umbrella in French, even if the weather isn't that rainy, but it often is one of the coldest cities on the weather map. I studied there until the end of high school. The landscapes are stunning. Indeed, there are many mountains and a lot of amazing pasture. After I graduated from high school, I left Aurillac for Clermont-Ferrand and I attended Polytech's preparatory class, which is meant to prepare all the different courses available in the Polytech networks. We did a lot of mathematics and physics. It was a little boring for me. So after these 2 years, I chose to join the computer course in Polytech Tours. I love that class and the school programs because we can directly use the class content to make some software. Moreover, Tours is a lovely city. The architecture is very rich since it's in Indre-et-Loire, near the Loire Valley Castle. Many buildings are in cut stone with sculpture on the wall. The city center is huge and very lively. There are many pedestrians. It's the perfect place to meet your friend afterwards. I will now tell you about my hobbies. I'm fond of rugby and I've been practicing since I'm 6. Before living in Tours, I used to play in Saint-Simon, a little club near Aurillac. What I like the most in rugby isn't just the sport itself, but the spirit around it. I meet my best friend in Saint-Simon, and it's still a pleasure to go back there. My second main hobby is skiing. I often go to a little ski resort near Aurillac with the same friend. What I like in a ski is the feeling of speed and liberty. The extraordinary thing while skiing is the scenery. If you slide away from the path, you can find yourself alone in the middle of nature, where you can listen to mind, animals, and even your heart. Now finished speaking about me. There are several reasons why I chose to apply to your university. The first one is your class. I heard you have a high-rated computer section. I think your teaching can perfectly complete my actual classes from Polytech, since there is a large range of courses. Your machine learning class is very attractive and I hope I will be able to attend it because this field isn't taught in Polytech. And I would like to learn more about it. The fact that your university is in the 10 best universities in computer teaching of the USA is another reason. I think it will be very interesting for my prospect. A lot of your teachers are also research and after checking their subjects presentation on your website, I feel even more motivated. The course I attend in Polytech enable me to implement my theoretical knowledge in various fields by establishing procedure, developing script, practicing computer maintenance. Your university also has many sports teams, especially a basketball team and football team. Two sports I have always liked. I would like to try football even if it's not your main team. Moreover, I'm fond of American culture. That's one more reason why I chose your university. I'm fond of comics. I also love the American films industry, the gastronomy, the sporting world, and the characteristic challenger mentality of American people. Finally, studying abroad during a whole year would allow me to improve my English and my accent. Thanks for your attention, and I await your answer.